Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can activate the flamethrower on Dress to Impress. It is actually pretty simple to do. I don't know how you can do it on your mobile phone, but on PC, you just need to press 1 on your keyboard to open it in inventory. And then you're just going to press your left mouse button here to pretty much activate it. It is that simple. You can use it like with the spinning hack, so you go around every time. You do need to turn on shift lock switch though. So let's see if I remember how to do it. Camera and then shift and then E and then jump. Okay, and then 1 and then wee. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.